I refuse to see you sully the family name with the unscrubbed son of a blacksmith's apprentice.
His name is Cornelius, and I love him ardently.
I know our love is one we cannot bear to be apart. Will you take my hand?
She will not, you commoner!
Car chases make movies better. And Fast 5 has a lot of car chases. In theaters April 29th. At dealerships now.